Hi, this is Sandy with needsaribbon.com, and I want to show you my new very favorite way to stamp. I hardly use blocks anymore for our Claremont stamps or our photopolymer stamps. So what you want to do, I don't have a framelit with me, but you cut a framelit or a punch shape out of paper. That's your template and your object. Place it in there. Ink up your stamp. Go down. Voila! The old way we used to have to do this was to stamp a bunch of objects, try and line them up, line up the framelits on the Big Shot and run it through, and half the time they'd slip. So let's see that again. So place your little piece of paper in your template. And I am using two magnets to hold. I am using both magnets because I don't want this to shift since these are lined up. Come down, and there you go. And to line it up, all I did was place this down. I dropped my stamp in there and then picked it up with this. And that's all we need. Sandy McManus, needsaribbon.com. Get your new way to stamp the Stamparatus, $49. And we have cool accessories now too. Thank you.